Augustine today.
This is so much fun. Like, I am so thrilled that we got monsooned on to do this.
I know, and it just worked out so well because the place we stayed at has free shuttle buses into like the main area. So because apparently St. Augustine's parking isn't like the best.
Yeah.
So we got so lucky that not only did we get a great place to stay, which is in St. Augustine, they have free shuttles. So today we're going to be exploring St. Augustine, like, because why not?
Yeah, I mean, like, starting Florida the only way possible, Vogel way.
100%. Exploring St. Augustine. Can I just say how cute it is?
It's been such a surprise. Like, really, this wasn't on our like itinerary to things to do.
No.
And completely worth a stop by.
Absolutely. So now that we've like hopped in and out of shops, looked at some really cool stuff, we're going to go to lunch now. Hopefully we get a spot. It's like a really cute seafood place.
Yeah, have to have some seafood here.
Yeah.
This is like top tier.
And then we're gonna get, which I'm really even more excited, is this really cool like popsicle store.
Yeah.
Because I love a good ice pop. Like, oh, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not an ice cream person, I'm an ice pop person.
Yeah.
And the fact that there is a store for it here, it makes me love
like,
this place even more.
Absolutely excited.
So I'm excited to eat and then get a little treat and explore some more.
Yes. Yeah. Is the cilantro one? The aioli, I'm excited. So good, Mom. You try it? So we are currently at the Castillo de San Marcos, which is the oldest masonry fort in the United States. And it is $15 to get in here, but we just kind of wanted to like walk around and enjoy St. Augustine. We didn't really want to be there for too long, but we really would advise going because it just gives you so much more detail in the history of this
but if
place.
you want to save a few bucks like us, it's nice to just walk around the perimeter, and it's so cool, honestly.
Yeah, you see like all the cool details, like there's literally just like gunpowder and like this really cool stuff on like the walls, just to kind of see like everything here is awesome.
It's so exactly where it's smooth.
It's not nice and smooth.